Sometimes when you're not even getting paid for it,
what I do is I'll stay there, and I'm not actually working, but I'll play for them.
oh yeah, now come on, now look, we got to be honest with each other, okay? So you punch in, and then you punch out, and then you stay.
I just have to be there. I can't.
What do you mean you have to be there?
I can't explain. I don't know if it's being controlling that I have to be there in case the situation arises, that I'm there to help people with it.
What kind of business is this?
Retail supermarket business.
Okay, so you're afraid there could be a grocery emergency. We have a banana down on the produce aisle. Is that what you're telling me?
More than a banana.
We're a banana down. We need, come on. Everybody has a currency. Where you get paid, that's one currency, monetary. You have another currency, which is achievement, attention. You have another currency, which is friendship. You have another currency, which is family connection and bonding. You have another currency, which is children and watching them grow and shape. And what you're saying is your currency of being at work and having a sense of being in control is crowding everything else in your life out. Would that be a fair statement?
That would be a fair statement.
Maybe harsh, but fair. Okay? Are you afraid that if you're not there, you're going to get fired?
No.
You don't think that because you've been there since you're 16, right? So this isn't fear-based.
I think what it is I work so hard to get where I am, and it's just reached a point now where I can't stop.
What do you really want?
What I wanted was I don't want to regret later in life, you know, the time that I could have spent with my kids. And I do see my kids. I don't want to think that I don't really take a day off. I spend time with the kids every Saturday to Sunday. But it's where, you know, maybe instead of staying at work,
Did your monkey?
When not, I require myself to leave. I require myself to get up from there and go live my life. Coach their team, do some things, whatever you can do. But you got to get out of there because this obsession will get worse. The older you get, the more comfortable you will get, and you will look back. But my kid is now 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm telling you right now, this is an obsession, and I have the power to stop it, and I'm going to stop it, and I'm going to do it. I'm going to set a boundary and say, I'm getting out of there. Just think if you spent an extra 10 hours a week with your kids. After a year, that's 520 hours you spent with those kids that you wouldn't have spent otherwise. And it's that 520 hours that might make them feel special, might make them learn things from you that they wouldn't have learned otherwise. They see a balance in you that they didn't see before. Let me tell you, when you always
What?
close to 14 years ago.
Uh-uh. Give me the monkey. Get your monkey. Bring me your monkey. Get your monkey.